Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fix It Fast. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Roblox on your Windows PC from start to finish. Whether you're installing Roblox for the very first time or you're not sure where to begin, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have Roblox installed, you'll know how to create your account, sign in, and start playing your favorite games. Before we begin, if these videos save you time or help solve a problem, subscribing is one of the best ways you can support the channel and help us keep making more tutorials like this. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite web browser and go to roblox.com. Once you're on the website, you'll either need to log in or create a new account if you don't already have one. To create a new account, enter your date of birth and choose a username. This username is what other players will see in Roblox, so pick one you like. Make sure you remember it because you'll need it again when it's time to log in. If your first choice is already taken, don't worry. Just try a few different names until you find one that's available. Next, create a strong password, select your gender if you want to, and then click Sign Up. After your account has been created, you'll be taken to the Roblox homepage. From here, click on the Charts section. Simply choose any game that catches your attention. The reason we're doing this is because Roblox only gives you the download option when you try to play a game. Once you've selected a game, click the play button. A pop-up will appear asking you to download Roblox. Click Download and wait for the installer to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Roblox setup file. The installer will launch automatically and begin installing Roblox on your PC. This usually only takes a few moments, so just wait until the installation is finished. Once it's installed, Roblox will open and take you to the login screen. Now enter the username and password you created earlier, then click Login. That's it. You can now access Roblox and start playing your favorite games. The next time you want to play, simply double-click the Roblox icon on your desktop, log in if needed, and choose any free game you want to play. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to Fix It Fast. Every tutorial on this channel is carefully researched and tested before it's published. We often spend days finding solutions through trial and error, so you don't have to. Your support helps us continue creating reliable PC tutorials for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.